It's time for another laundry room vlog. It's the next day, and there is absolutely nothing going on. Doing my laundry, and the plates from yesterday, from the pizza, and we're going to go out to Best Bitch and see what kind of vinyl they have for flooring. I mean, for playing. Yeah. So we're going to see how bad their salesmanship sucks and see what kind of poor selection they have, and yeah. So we cranked the record player up a bit much yesterday, and it started vibrating like hell, so I need some vibration dampers to put under it because of the speaker setup vibration in the unit, which then hits the tone arm, and then that gets amplified again and starts getting, even more amplified and more vibrations, and then everything sounds like shit. So I got to see if Best Bitch has a vibration-reducing kit of some kind, which I'm sure they won't. In fact, I doubt there's going to be anybody there who knows what a turntable is. The people that sell the music there would know that there is such a thing called records, and they're over there. But we'll see how good that goes. All right, take care.